Hi guys, Brendan here from Brendan Tech Talk. Today I shall be unboxing and reviewing a personal UV sterilizer to sterilize small daily use objects like face masks, cell phones, car keys, pens and bangles and kadas for Sikhs who wear them or whoever wears them. We have been living in these bad times of corona pandemic for the last several months. We have been hoping since the beginning that this deadly disease would go away soon. Alas, it's still alive and kicking, and how. We, however, have had to learn to live in all too familiar ways by now, like wearing face masks all the time, staying at home or work most of the time, maintaining social distancing, etc. It seems that it might stay the same way for quite a long while. If we talk about masks, they have their own issues. They can get dirty, they can get infected, both from outside and from within us through our breathing, through coughing, and through sneezing. So we have to keep washing them and changing them so very often. It, however, may be quite inconvenient and maybe even risky. Having said that, new challenges, they always do bring in new solutions. One of the solutions I'm going to talk about today is sterilization of small objects in a personal UV sterilizer. Sterilizers come in various sizes and in various price range. They can be quite reasonably priced or can be very expensive. The one I'm going to review is very reasonably priced, not at all expensive. I shall be unboxing and then reviewing the sterilizer with you all, and we'll check for ourselves how good or otherwise it is. After I have reviewed the sterilizer, I will give you my opinion about it. So please do stick around till the end of the video to hear my opinion. See you all on the other side. This is the box. It says sterilization box, and it takes, according to this, it takes 3 minutes to disinfect whatever you put inside. So let's unbox it. So nice. The feel is quite nice. It's quite sturdy. Looks like this. Here it shows sterilization. Here it shows aromatherapy. That means you can put in some aroma drops into this, and when you on it, actually it will also give a scent out to whatever you put inside. And these are the points: 25% sterilization, 50, 75%, and 100% disinfection. So let's see what's inside. So you open it like this. Okay, this has got a USB wire. What is this? This is a quality control sticker. It has got a instruction manual, and it looks quite a good quality one. So I think if you we need to put some aroma drops, you put them into these holes, I guess. And these are probably the tubes from where the ultraviolet light comes in. So let's give it some power. Oh.
Welcome to use the multifunctional disinfection coating machine.
Oh, it's quite loud actually. So let's see. I've got a iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's quite a big phone actually. I was worried that it may not fit into this, but it does. So I think most other phones also should fit in. Okay. So if you want to disinfect it or sterilize it, you just close the lid and then press this button which is sterilize.
Hello, the disinfection and coding process is in progress.
Quite loud actually, the bell. So it's quite good, even if you are hard of hearing, you can still hear it. Anyway, so the sterilization process has started, and according to this, it will take about 3 minutes to sterilize, which is not long actually. You just don't sterilize your phones, you can sterilize your masks, your N95 masks, which are quite expensive. Why do you want to buy new ones every time? So they can be done. You can, even your daily surgical mask, you don't need to change it. Every day you can actually, just before you use, sterilize it and disinfect for about 3 minutes, and it's good to go. I'm still waiting about 75%. You can see 3 lights are on, so 75% of it is disinfected and sterilized. So I think if it works, I think it's a superb thing. It's not very expensive for what it does.
Disinfection coding process completed.
Then you just open it and take out your disinfected phone. So I think overall I'm quite impressed with it. Looks good. It's quite, it is plastic, but it's quite sturdy. So after reviewing the personal UV sterilizer, I was quite impressed and went ahead and bought 2 of them. One for home and one for my consulting room in my hospital. By the way, I'm an eye surgeon by profession and a YouTuber by passion. Going back to the subject, when I come back from work, the first thing I do is, of course, wash my hands for 20 seconds at least. And then I sterilize my masks, my cell phone, my car keys, and my pens. I do the same again before I go to work. Even at work, I do it a couple of times for peace of mind. In my case, it has become an integral part of my everyday life, and I would definitely recommend it to all. For your convenience, I'll put a link of the product in the description below. I hope this video was informative and useful. Stay safe, stay fit, stay healthy, and stay happy. See you in the next episode. Adios.